What's up, YouTube? Let's apply our 11th dose of Snappy's steroid fertilizer. All the plants are completely fine with this fertilizer, and they seem to like it. I mean, they're growing pretty damn well. The cephalotus for sure like it, because they're growing fast, faster than normal. I never did claim to increase speed on fly traps because I actually never tested the speed on a fly trap using it. But that's what the trials are for. I got people that are testing that for me. And today I'm not spraying how I usually spray, which is just going ham and getting everything. I'm spraying each one individual simply because I have nickel in the fertilizer, in this batch of fertilizer, because nickel is a required nutrient for urease activity within the plant. I think urease uses like one nickel ion to start urease, I guess. Synthesization, something like that. All I know is that it's required. I don't know how exactly everything works inside. But anyways, nickel is very toxic to humans. At high doses, at least. It's like 0.04 or 2% nickel in my mix. But yeah, the moss isn't dying, which is, I don't know, I never really looked into moss, but some quick searches, all I get is people in blogs saying don't fertilize moss because they'll get brown and die, but that's not happening. I kind of don't want the moss, but yeah, the moss isn't dying, which is unfortunate to me, but yeah, oh well. Someone also said that their sphagnum moss doesn't mind the fertilizer, so I guess that's a plus, because I think D'Amato, I think that's how you say it, from California Carnivores, was saying that Maxia also does not kill sphagnum moss, and that it was a good fertilizer for the plants because of that. But yeah. After I spray everything, I'll give you guys a closer look. I am noticing burn on weaker plants, especially freshly repotted plants that have not fully settled in and have their root structures down. I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. I'm still spraying them either way. They'll grow out of it, and if not, they were weak. Now let's get the cephalotus up here. Around. Get into pictures. So yeah. Now I need to rinse off my fingers because you can see I got some fertilizer on there and that's bad. So let me rinse it off real quick. Okay, I got my fingers rinsed off, and now let's do a small tour. So this is the DJ Goliath X Fuzzy Teeth. No, it's Fuzzy Teeth X DJ Goliath. Look at those arcs. Incredible. I'll probably put up a better picture for you guys. This is a Sunrise FTS Incredible Red Hulk. I'll put up a feeding video for you guys Don't worry about the worm that it didn't get, because there was already a worm inside of it. But yeah, I tried to feed it another worm because the smaller worm was not moving a lot, so it couldn't activate it. Here we have Agnes. I'm not sure whether or not I want to sell this one. I kind of want to sell it because I need a water filter, because I'm tired of buying water. Here you got one of the typicals. Looks like a tree. You got big boy, typical. I'm thinking about pulling that one out. Some small little plants from Pochi. Got a typical, some cream melody sharks, a whole bunch of leaf pullings of Agnes. Let me get over here. Here we got some typicals. I would clean up, but they're still kind of attached to the dead stuff. So if I try to pull out the dead stuff, the small plants get uprooted. Some small plants, I believe these are from Pochi. These typicals are growing pretty fast, or pretty vigorously. Here we have Sunrise. Both of these rows are Sunrise. This is also a Sunrise. Some seed-grown seedlings. This is a typical from bug biting plants. It's a Diablo Rogue open pollinated. This one as well. Some seedlings. This is a typical from bug biting plants. This is Diablo Rogue open pollinated. Diablo Rogue open pollinated. You guys can read the tags. Cub Tractix, Korean Millie Shark, Orc, Werewolf. Yeah, Diablo Rogue again. Here's the seed grown that Pochi and I are evaluating. It's very nice. I'll show a feeding video of this one as well. Traps are still functional, even with all the fertilizer they've been getting. Okay, hopefully the feeding video's done. Here we got DJ Goliath, Brewer's Mighty Midget. That is the seed grown. This is the Korean Melody Shark lookalike. Again, same thing. This is Diablo Rogue open pollinated. Those 2 or 3 are seedlings from my old collection. Some typical cephs. That's a Cephalotus Agnes. Some Agnes clones over here. Some typical Cephalotus. Let's turn around to the other side. Let's show you Agnes up here. Still needs to fill out that pot, hopefully soon. Maybe within 8 months. Okay, now let's look at these. This one is a nice batch of plants over here. These as well. Yeah, a lot of these smaller plants are going pretty nicely. Getting those upright spring summer traps. I think I already showed you guys those. It's a pretty long trap over there. Kind of reminds me of a juvenile alien. Those are all the seedlings from tissue culture that Matt sent me. We got Kim Il Sung from Pochi. I think it's growing, or actually the trap just opened, but it hasn't grown anything new yet. This is a seed grown from my old collection, I believe. Or it's a red mix from FTS. Here we got crested petiole. So the traps I set off just died completely almost. But yeah, I think this trap is new. Who knows? We got AR werewolf. Some AR werewolves over there. I think a lot of them are going black because of the fertilizer, but oh well. Again, the weak small plants that are freshly repotted, they don't take fertilizer well. Here we got Triton. It is in flower. I am gonna cross it with this one that is also in flower, which is a Diablo rug open pollinated. I think I fed a cayenne too, so let's pop up one of those cayenne feeding videos. Put it on the side. Pretty sure it was that one over there. Here we have Chupin Steel. The scales on this is looking very, very prominent. SD Chronos. Chupin Steel. St. Patrick's Beard. Triton. Cayenne. SD Chronos. See, if this SD Chronos can take fertilizer, why can't these little weak plants? St. Patrick's Beard. Cayenne. That is not fertilizer. Well, it could be fertilizer burn, but those are old leaves that never fully developed and they died because of the frost. Here's Cream Melody Shark. All of these are Cream Melody Shark. Oh, well, I guess not these. Cup Traps X KMS or Werewolf. These are fresh from the fridge and TC, I guess like 2 weeks ago maybe. So not too fresh, but yeah, all that dead stuff on top is not from fertilizer, I guess. You can see some new growth down there. These are dead stuff. Some KMS. I just watered them yesterday. They were extremely dry, so I am letting them dry out, but it still looks ugly because the media on top was already ugly. But anyways, yeah, that's basically the whole collection. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let's show you in depth of the mound. Yeah, this top portion is growing very well, which is good. And there's a leaf pulling in there that it is growing. I pulled it out just to check and it had a little bit of roots, so yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment below, and I guess I'll catch you guys later. Peace.